Apart from various activities that include bike rides, the FM radio programs, and fitness and sports activities, the Northeastern Council had organized the NEC Invitational Football Tournament 2023 at the Polo Ground, Shillong on the 5th of August this year, which is an activity to celebrate the second year of the Azaadi Amrit Mahotsav. The tournament has been organized through knockout mode, where international standard as per FIFA rules were followed. Apart from the trophy, the winning team was awarded a cash prize of Rs 30,000, while the runner-up team went home with a cash amount of Rs 15,000. Certificates of participation were also presented to all participants of the football tournament. The Secretary of the NEC, K. Moses Chalai, graced the event as chief guest. The participating teams included the Indian Institute of Management Shillong, the Chief Secretary 11 Government of Meghalaya, the Principal Accountant General ANE Shillong, the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited or MECL, the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Institute of Health and Medical Sciences or NEGRIMS, the Defence Accounts Department and the Office of the Commissioner of Customs Preventive.
And therefore, this 1 year celebration has been very important, and it's going to culminate by 15th of this month. Therefore, we are, as I said, we are living in historical times, and to commemorate and to remind ourselves and to recall all that sacrifices have been, who our countrymen, our forefathers, who have done so much to give us this precious, very, very precious freedom. We are celebrating this. This football tournament is also a part of that. As mentioned by my colleague, we're very, very happy that there has been excellent and in fact even unexpected response from different departments and different teams. And I'm sure that the next few days there'll be real good sportsmanship and good display of talent, skill and your efforts.